fall weather because I'm super excited about our adult take and make craft for this month, pumpkin spice sugar scrub cubes. Now, as you can tell, this is not a cube, it is a disc, and it will last much longer than a cube would. So if you stop by the Columbus or Saluda Library at any point this month, you can pick up a free kit that has the ingredients to follow along with this video and make your own sugar scrub disc at home. At the end of this video, there's some information about upcoming programs for adults at both Columbus and Saluda Libraries. We have the Read What You Want book club, where yes, you get to read what you want, and then come and discuss it with friends. This month is historical, so you'll read a book that has some type of historical element and then come to the library to discuss it on November 8th. We also have a beard program coming up for No Shavember on November 9th, where you can learn about beards and beard care, famous beards from history, and then make your own beard balm. That program does require registration, so go ahead and send me an email if you are interested in that because it is limited to the first 10 participants. We also have an energy healing class with local yoga instructor Emily Miller, and she is going to talk about energy healing, and that's going to be at Columbus and Saluda Libraries in the middle of the month. And then on the 2 Fridays this month that we are open, we are going to show movie matinees with new released movies, so keep an eye out for those. We are closed on Veterans Day on that Friday, and then we are closed the Friday after Thanksgiving.
Alright, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to put your soap in a microwave safe bowl, and you're also going to put your coconut oil in that same bowl, and we're going to melt these two ingredients in the microwave together. You may have to really scrape out the inside of your cup and try to get as much of that coconut oil in the bowl before you microwave it. Alright, so right out of the microwave, this was really foamy, but I stirred it together, and this is your soap and your coconut oil. And now I'm going to add in the rest of our ingredients. So we're going to put in our brown sugar and our pumpkin pie spice and mix it all together. And it's going to smell like Thanksgiving. Let's see. I'm going to mix it all together to make our scrub. And you want to save these containers that your coconut oil and your pumpkin pie spice were in, because those are the containers that we're going to use to make our mold for our scrub. The final step of this project is going to be taking your mixture and putting it in these two containers. Now you can make one really thick sugar scrub cube if you want, or you can fill both of these containers up halfway and have two molds going at the same time. The key is to really pack the mixture in there, and you're going to leave this sit for 24 hours before shimmying it out of the mold.